Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am from United Public School. Welcome to our English class. In last class, what we have learned? Parts of speech. Okay. Today we will go through more about articles. How many articles are there? 3. What are they? A and the. Okay. How many articles are there? A and or the. Okay. 3 articles are there. So in articles, it may divide into 2 types. See, 2 types. What are they? Definite article or indefinite article. Okay, 2 types. Articles are divided into 2 types: definite article, indefinite article. The is the definite article, indefinite article or a or an. So how many articles are there here? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 articles are there. So articles may divide into 2 types: definite or indefinite. What is definite and what is indefinite article? We can see here. See, first we see indefinite article. Okay, the words a and or are called indefinite articles. Okay, we already know that indefinite articles are a or an. Okay, they are used before singular noun. Where we have to use a or an? Before singular noun. Okay, we do not use them before plural noun. Why? Because we can't count. See, for example, rice is there. Rice is a noun. No? We can't it? No. So that's why we don't use them before plural noun. Okay, so it is an indefinite articles. So the articles a is used with the word begins with a consonant sounds. Okay, how many articles are there? First 26 articles are there. Okay, in that how many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. No, remaining 21 are consonants. So consonants are first we have to write vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. The remaining alphabets are consonants. Just like B, C, D, F, G, H, I is here. J, K, like this up to Z. So that's where these words are begins. What we have to use? We have to use A. Okay. So see next where we have to use an. The article an is used before the word begin with a vowel sound. Where the vowel sound is there, A, E, I, O, U. So before that we have to use an. Okay. Where we have to use A? Before the consonant sound we have to use A. Before the vowel sound we have to use an. Okay. Next see note here. We don't use A or an before nouns that we cannot count, such as rice, sugar, water. We can't rice? No. So we do not use a or an before. We cannot count. No. That time we don't use a or an. Okay. Just like see here, rice, sugar, water. So what we cannot count. No. So that's why we do not use a or an. Okay. So where we use a, where the words begin with a consonant sound. The words like this B, C, D, F, G, H up to Z. So that time we have to use A. Okay. Where we have to use an? Before the vowel sound we have to use an. Next it is an indefinite article. What is definite article? See here. The is the definite article. No? The is an article too. It is called the definite article. We use the to talk about something. So where we use the to talk about something. So we have talked about before only. Okay. We also use the before people or object that are one of a kind. So where we have to use the before people or object that are one of a kind. Okay. That is especially we are using. No. That time we have to use the. Where we use a or an. A is used before a consonant sound. An is used before a vowel sound. The is used we talk about something. Okay. The is used we talk about something. We have to use the. Okay. So today's your assignment, underline article a and the in each sentence. So where is a or where is an we have to underline. Okay. So where we have to use an before a vowel sound, no? We have to use an. Okay. See here, I saw an accident of a car. See where is the article here? An is an article. Okay. Why we are using before vowel sound? Vowel sound means A, E, I, O, U are the vowel sound. No? See here, before vowel sound, the word begin with vowel sound. So we have to use an. See here is an A is there. No? A is an vowel sound. So where the vowel sound is come, before that we have to use article and. So see here, I saw an accident of a car. A is there. So where we have to use a? Where we have to using? Why we have to using a before a consonant sound? C is a consonant sound. No? So the remaining alphabets are the consonant sound. There are 26 alphabets are no. 5 is then vowel. Remaining 21 are the consonant sound. No? So C is a consonant. So before that we are using a. So it is an article. Okay. Like this you have to underline. Okay. See, I need a kilogram of salt. So see here K. K is in consonant. So before that we are using a. So it is an consonant sound. So it is an article a. So you have to underline. That is an excellent pencil. See here why we are using and here E. E is an vowel sound. So we are using and. So it is a vowel sound. No? Before that we are using and. So it is an article. Like this you have to do. Copy these in your English notebook and send the answer in our group. Thank you.